Penne alla vodka. It's a yummy, creamy, delicious Italian dish. I should make the dish. One problem. YouTube is bombarded with so many videos about penne vodka, and it's impossible for a small channel like me to stand out. So, how do I stand out? Simple. We replace this with this. Now I know a lot of you Italians out there who are probably watching this are getting your pitchforks and fire flowers ready. So let me explain why I'm going with Rotini. I'm going with Rotini because the spiral shape of the pasta will hold on to much more sauce than penne. And I do enjoy a nice saucy pasta. I got here a pot full of boiling water and a straight-sided saute pan, which is where we'll make our sauce. Add 8 ounces or half a box of Rotini pasta. Alright, now let's add some olive oil to our pan. Make sure it's over medium-high heat. Now add 1 small or medium onion diced. 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Half a teaspoon of dried oregano. And a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Okay, that might have been more than a 1/4 teaspoon, but I'll survive. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of salt. It adds flavor and will help draw out moisture from the onions. Okay, once the onions soften up a bit, add 4 cloves of minced garlic. We're adding the garlic in later because if we added it too early, the garlic will burn and turn bitter. Oh, so-and-so did it and he has more subscribers than you. Popularity doesn't mean good quality. You're on YouTube, for God's sakes. Oh, and don't forget to occasionally check up on your pasta. Almost there. Next, add 6 ounces or 1 and a bit of tubes of tomato paste. I hope I'm not demonetized for that joke. The tomato in with your onions and garlic. And now, the start of the show, 1 cup of vodka. Don't reinvent the wheel, just use plain vodka.
It was in this moment that CRJ knew he messed up.
Oh, if that happens to you, just do what I just did and suffocate the flames with a lid or an even bigger pan. Next, add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Add in 2 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Simmer the sauce for a couple minutes just to get off any raw alcoholic flavor. And while it's doing that, our pasta should be done. Let's transfer it to the sauce. And add a little bit of pasta water to thin out the sauce. Taste it for seasoning. Just a bit of salt. And there we go, folks. A lovely bowl of Rotini alla vodka. I'm gonna go to town on this. That's why I'm wearing a red shirt. Well, that and I'm heading to a Nikado avocado lookalike contest later today. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun and meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really liked the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Thursday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and support me on Patreon. And yes, once again, I shot the entire episode in front of my stove this week. You can thank this little flea bag for that.